Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we are going to replace the wick in this Ibelo Monopol automatic petrol lighter. Got a question on the video that I believe it's the video that I did on this lighter, if I knew how to replace the wick. So it's pretty basic. There's a few differences to it maybe. If you're used to re-wicking, say, a Zippo insert style, then it's a little bit different than that. But it's easier than most. The style of wick you use, I guess if you chose to use the braided wick, then really it wouldn't be really any different than a Zippo. So, but what I'm going to use is the wire lead wick, IMCO wick, and we'll go from there. And so we'll just start here with taking the flint spring screw out. And the flint. Pull this base plate off. And start pulling wadding. There's your wick. So we'll get that cleaned up and decide whether to put new cotton in there or not. Go ahead and remove that wick. Okay, so we've got that cleaned out. Now, with these IMCO wire lead wicks that are available now, I believe they're still available on eBay. There's really nothing to wicking this lighter. You're just going to stick that wire down through your chimney, and it feeds right there, and that simple. Leave enough there to where you can trim it. You don't need any more than half that, if that. Grab some scissors. So now we're going to replace our wadding. This is what came out of it. But there's some I don't know, something. I don't know if it was rust or something in part of it, so I'm going to replace it with these cotton balls. Cotton balls won't be any problem getting back out of this lighter. So we're almost there. We're going to get the rest of this packed in on this side. And we'll get our plate back on here. Then we're going to cut the wick to the length we want and fuel the lighter. If you like videos about repairing old cigarette lighters, then please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button. Send that off in a text message, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms: Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. Until next time.